Solve polynomial equations. I am Anil Kumar and here are two simple examples to get you started with solving polynomial equations. The question is, solve each of the following equations by factoring. We have 3x cubed equals to 27x and 8x to the power of 4 equals to 27x. So when you have to solve them by factoring, bring the terms to the same side. So we should write this as 3x cubed minus 27x equals to 0. Now 3x is a common factor, so we get 3x, x squared minus 9. Now x squared minus 9 is x squared minus 3 squared. So you can apply difference of squares. So we get 3x times x plus 3 times x minus 3 equals to 0. So we have factored. Now once you have factored, the solution of the equation is all the values of the factors equated to 0. So first solution is x equals to 0. That comes from here. And x plus 3 will be 0 for x equals to minus 3. So that is this solution. And then equate x minus 3 to 0. You get x equals to plus 3. So these are the three solutions for the given equation, correct? So in this equation, we got these solutions by equating each term to 0. So let me show you. 3x equals to 0, and then we equated x plus 3 to 0, and then x minus 3 to 0. Solving these three factors, we got a solution. X equals to 0, the first solution, x equals to minus 3, the second one, and x equals to plus 3 for the third one. So that is how you should do it, right? Let's do the next one, which is 8x to the power of 4 equals to 27x. Let's bring them to one side. So we get 8x to the power of 4 minus 27x equals to 0. Now what is common between them? X is common, so let's factor out x. So we get 8x cubed minus 27 equals to 0. Now 8 is 2 cubed and 27 is 3 cubed. So we can write this as x 2x whole cube minus 3 cubed. And now we can factor using difference of cubes. I hope you remember the formula for difference of cubes. Let me write it down. A cube minus b cube is what? Let me write down here. A cube minus b cube is a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square. Now in this case, a is 2x and b is 3 for us. And therefore, we can factor this and we can write this as x times. So a minus b, that means 2x minus 3, b is 3, times a square, 2x whole square, that means 4x square, plus ab, product of these two, which is 6x, and then plus b square, which is 3 square, it gives you 9. So that is the factored form. Now here, 4x square plus 6x plus 9 will never be 0. However, 2x minus 3 can be 0 and x can be 0. So we can solve for each. So x equals to 0 is one solution. The other one is when 2x minus 3 is equated to 0, we get 2x equals to 3, or x is equals to 3 over 2, right? So we have two solutions for this equation, and our solutions are x equals to 0. So our solutions for this equation is x equals to 0 and x equals to 3 over 2. And for the first equation, we have solutions as x equals to 0, minus 3 and plus 3, and plus and minus 3. These are the solutions for our equations. Now I want to highlight one particular thing. Some students might do that mistake, so I don't want you to do that. Let us begin with this equation once again. So it is 3x cubed equals to 27x. Now some of you, while solving, may divide by 3x on both sides, right? So you could divide by 3 and 3. So So you get 9 here. And then if you divide by x, you get x squared. Do you understand? So you get x squared equals to 9. In that case, have a good look. In that case, you miss out on one solution, which is x equals to 0. So whenever you're solving polynomial equations, don't divide both sides. In this case, you get a solution x equals to square root of 9, which is just plus minus 3. And you lose the operation, the answer x equals to 0. But therefore, this is wrong. So this is not the right way of doing it. Bring them to one side and then solve. In this question also, if you cancel x from both the sides, you will not get x equals to 0 as one of your solutions. And that way it is going to be wrong. So when you're looking for solving polynomial equations, bring terms to one side, factor, and then solve. Don't cancel from both sides. Cancelling from both sides means you are cancelling one solution. Remember that. I hope that helps. Thank you.